हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं हाजिर हूँ लेकर के बिजनेस प्रोसेस मॉनिटरिंग का अनदर वीडियो। इस वीडियो में हम आज देखेंगे डैशबोर्ड बिल्डर से डैशबोर्ड कैसे क्रिएट होता है और क्या क्या एग्जिस्टिंग डैशबोर्ड्स हैं आपके सॉल्यूशन मैनेजर 7.2 में। तो नॉर्मली हम स्टार्टिंग से जाते हैं और मैं अपने होम पेज पर हूँ फिलहाल वर्क सेंटर के। And now I'm switching to business process monitoring style to check dashboard builder options. So now I'm just going to business process monitoring. Here in business process monitoring, I'm having one tile configuration dashboard builder. I click on this and it will open this icon, this launchpad and these options. This is the dashboard builder provided by SAP, and this dashboard builder gives you flexibility to create dashboard as per your requirement and as per your choice to show in a different way based on your requirement what you are trying to show in the system, and it is totally dependent on KPI catalog which is available in support portal. So indirectly I'll show how it is done, but as an initial view you can see that this is a somewhere template how the dashboard builder looks like and how you can see your data based on the charts, graph, pie chart and number tiles. There are different options here. In left side you can see here it is a dashboard template which is a tile based template. Other options which are we having in application operations, in business process operations, change management, project management, IT service management, not assigned dashboards, cross applications and test suites. So today we'll see for these options what we are having here. So we have already created some of the tiles, some of the dashboards. Let's see what it is here. Once you click, it will open number of tiles based on your requirement, based on your creation and what you have created in the dashboard. So let's see what information is coming here. However, it takes a bit time to load and it also depends on the performance of your solution manager, how and in what manner it is performing. You can see a trend of alerts for last 30 days. It is coming, it is based on total alerts in business process monitoring. So it is total alert. If I talk about, it is in 466k, is thousands. Based on the alerts, which we can see how the alerting is showing for last 30 days, and it is number based style, so it is showing just alert, and it looks like that it only numerical tiles and numerical values are here. If you if you go down sides, it will alert as per SID, means as per systems. And if I want to see in detail, let me show. I think I have option to show you. Let me, yes, now I have expanded this, and now based on the SID it is showing the number of alerts. So currently for which system it is showing, it depends. Now it is showing for alerts trend as for alerting as per SID how many alerts are there. So however it is showing, I think for Z2 EE system is having, and if you go downside you will go SID as per use cases. It will show in some time what all options they are having, number of alerts per alert name. You can see here Java NetViewer log, error raised during event calculation, error gateway error logs, errors in system, ABAP system log, ICMON, SMSC, Initial alert reaction time, which is coming here, it would be in minutes, and this is the alert confirmation for last 30 days, that how it is alert is getting confirmed in the solution manager via manual, via automatic. So it depends. This is the way how it looks like in solution manager 7.2. The alert analysis, it is created. And if we go here into click next, we'll show the we can see the other dashboards as well. So it will show the different analytics or different options which you have selected for dashboard to see. Here we will see some configuration as well, that what options we have selected to, and how we are creating dashboards, in which manner we have created. So now as example, I can see there are many options. This is the option which is called the settings. So what I can see, that I can just click on this icon. It will take a bit time to open the settings. Okay, now you can see it is set, it has opened. And now this is KPI custom named current status. This is the subheading which is coming here, visualization how you like to see size, and the data source type, which is business process monitoring, and data source name is coming here. If you go in F4, it will get many options based on a requirement what you want to see. You have to click that, and based on that you will get these options. In that you have to filter in rows, columns and filters what you want to show in main view, and how you like to see the dashboard. This is something which is available in in configuration of the dashboard builder. And once you set your parameters, once you set how you like to see the dashboard, then just you have to click on save. Once you click, it will be saved and dashboard will be visible in couple of minutes or couple of seconds, I can say. The different way in business process monitoring and every application operations area, if you want to configure your dashboard via dashboard builder, you can use this is UI5 dashboard provided by SAP. And now we can see in application operations as well, that what all dashboards are we have configured to show the system availability overview. So let's wait for a couple of seconds, and this information will be visible here to what options we are having in availability overview, in terms of available, planned, unplanned, and all details, which we now we can see here. This is the availability overview. Here this is number of legends for, and what options we are having here, like you can see here, it is available 99%, not available due to planned downtime, which is I think approximate zero. It is no measurement availability, if means there is a collection issue, and it is unplanned. So if you click here, it is, it will go in detail of the dashboard and it will show. However, we just, and detailed option is also available in the dashboard, so it will load in a couple of seconds. Just we shall wait. डैशबोर्ड बिल्डर में बस इतना ही. बाकी अदर टॉपिक्स के लिए मैं फिर हाजिर होऊंगा आपके लिए नए टॉपिक्स लेके solution manager 7.2 के लिए. Even I'm also planning to have a dashboard using focus insights as well. So thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get latest update on the solution manager 7.2 and related videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos.